Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful baby blanket. It's very easy to make and it looks beautiful. Hope you like it. And for this I use this yarn, Utopia Crafts Cuddle Ombre. One ball is 100 grams and 45 meters. I use totally 6 balls and I used 12mm hook with it. Hope you like this one too. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's totally free and we can start now. Start with a slip knot. For the stitch you can use any numbers you want. I'm gonna use 51. It's 51. Now yarn over, skip this first chain, insert into the next, grab the yarn, pull through. I have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all. That's a half double crochet and we will use half double crochet for the rest of this row. Yarn over, insert, grab the yarn over, pull through all. Put 1 half double crochet into each chain till the end. That's the last one. And this yarn's colors looks amazing. Just look like the sweetest candy I've ever seen. Chain 1, turn. Now we are gonna make half double crochets again, and this row will be our repeat row. Okay, we will make half double crochets, only changes here, we will not use the stitches. You see, that's the back loop, front loop and first loop. We are gonna use this first loop starting from here. Yarn over, insert into the first loop, make a half double crochet. Okay, insert into the first loop. Repeat this till the end. Now I'm making the last one. You see, that's the stitch, okay? These two is the stitch. And that's the first loop. It's a little bit hard to see this last one. Not use this one, okay? Actually, it's not really important. We are gonna make a border anyway. But that's the right place. And repeat the same thing again. Meet you at the end. chain 1, turn, and we will repeat this as long as we want. I'm gonna make it bigger and turn back to you. I made totally 26 rows, and it's a square right now, almost 80 centimeters and 80 centimeters square. Look, that's where I started. My starting tail is here, and that's where I complete. Now I'm gonna directly start from here to make the border. Chain 1. As you know, we made half double crochets for this side border. Around this side half double crochets. I'm gonna make single crochets, but for 2 rows we will make 3 single crochets. I'm gonna show you how to make them right now. That's the first one. Insert into this stitch, post, make a single crochet. That's the stitch. Okay, this half double crochet stitch, 2 chains stitch. Insert, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, and when you reach here you have this line. You can insert into this stitch here, this loop. Okay, it looks better with this way. Now you're gonna make 1 into here, 1 into here, and 1 into this post. One, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. Okay. Oops. And keep repeating this till the corner. I'm almost at the end. I'm gonna put 1, 2, and the third one, just a second please, and third one will be on this first chain. Okay, insert, grab the yarn, pull through 2, chain 1, that's the corner, and into the same place I'm gonna put 1 more single crochet. And you have chains here, just put 1 single crochet into each chain. When you reach here, you are gonna make your last single crochet into this last chain, then chain 1, then make 1 more, and for here put 1 into the post, put 1 into the stitch, and put 1 into this loop. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, or if you want you can put 1 here, 1 here, and into the stitch. Just make 3. Important thing is here you can insert anywhere you want. Complete this row. I'll meet you at that. I reached to the end, and that's the first single crochet. I'm gonna put 1 more into same place, chain 1, insert from this first stitch, join with a slip stitch. And for this row, that's the last row, we will only make slip stitches. Insert into the next stitch, grab the yarn, pull through. Next, grab the yarn, pull through. Repeat this till the corner. I'll meet you there. I'm at the corner. I'm gonna make one slip stitch here. You see this one chain space? I'm gonna put a slip stitch here. And that's the first stitch. I'm gonna put one slip stitch. Then keep going, okay? Meet you at the end. I'm at the end making the last slip stitch. That's the last stitch before corner. Cut the yarn. Just loose this loop, okay? Now insert under the slip stitch. That's the slip stitch we join. Okay, that's the first stitch, first slip stitch we made. Insert under it, and you see this last loop. Insert into this loop and close here nicely. Then hide the tail. That's all. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Since Crochet is my Instagram address, it's also my website, Etsy, Ravelry, Pinterest. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.